so right now we are headed out to go charge a slab up here. We've already surfed it once this trip and we're headed back. We think it's gonna be bigger. We're doing like a full stealth mission right now. It's 5:08 in the morning. The sun doesn't rise for another like 50 minutes. So we're gonna get there super early, paddle out. We're gonna shoot some water photography today. It's gonna be crazy. Meeting up with Billy Curtis, the local boy. Last night was insane. We caught like some really, really sick, fast rides, and you know, today it could be even bigger. Every spot just could be bigger, pumping, and we're looking to push the limits.
Let's go.
I am flesh and I am bone. Rise up, ting ting like glitter and gold. I got fire in my soul. Rise up, ting ting like glitter.
Alright guys, first session going down right here. I got the helmet on. The sun is just rising. We got Emerson on water footage. We got Latch here. We got Billy paddling out. Right now we're gonna go score.
Like glitter and gold. Like glitter. Do you walk in the valley of kings? Do you walk in the shadow of men who sold their lives to a dream? Do you ponder the manner of things in the dark? The dark, the dark, the dark. I am flesh and I am bone. Our eyes ting ting like glitter and gold. I got fire in my soul. Eyes up ting ting like glitter. Yeah, like glitter and gold. Yeah, like glitter. Do you walk in the meadow of spring? Do you talk to the animals? Do you hold their lives from a string? Do you ponder the manner of things in the dark? The dark, the dark, the dark. I am flesh and I am bone. Our eyes ting ting like glitter and gold. I got fire in my soul. Eyes up ting ting like glitter. I am flesh and I am bone. Our eyes ting ting like glitter and gold. I got fire in my soul. Eyes up ting ting like glitter. 'Cause everybody in the back room spinning out. You don't remember what you're asking for. And everybody in the front room's tripping out. You left your bottle at the door. 'Cause everybody in the back room's spinning out. You don't remember what you're asking for. And everybody in the front room's tripping out. You left your bottle at the door. I am flesh and I am bone. Our eyes ting ting like glitter and gold. I got fire in my soul. Eyes up ting ting like glitter. Yeah, like glitter and gold. Yeah, like glitter. Yeah, like glitter and gold. Yeah, like glitter.
Till the sun destroys the earth, till the planets all start spinning in reverse. Only comfort in a shattered universe is to be with you when the sun destroys.
Right here we were hanging out in a coffee shop, just, you know, reviewing some of the clips, and this one's gonna have to wait for a future video. Emerson got a really good session while I was going for a run. At the end of the run, I was able to snag this clip of him. He was ripping this session and I was just running up and down this beach while he surfed, so I got to see in person like a lot of his good rides. But then it came time to head back to one of the slabs, gear up, and it was time to go. All right, what are we thinking for this?
It's on today. It's already firing, and I mean, we're on it. We're on it.
What happened to your foot?
I fucking took a chunk out on the reef.
Gnarly.
We're on it though. We're
Gnarly.
back.
All right.
Get barreled. Get barreled.
we scored Hurricane Earl. Like, no other trips I really remember get like surfing new spots, surfing only slabs. We only really did like, Emerson got some sick sessions like at beach breaks, but he scored it. And we're up here for 2 nights and 2 days, and that's like pretty sick. We didn't like drive around too much. We just surfed a lot, got really good waves. We're driving back to New York City, and then I'm going back out to Long Island, and I got a lecture tomorrow at 8 a.m. and then I'm working from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the emergency pediatrics department. I had one really opportunity, like one weekend in September, and not next weekend, to do like a huge mission like this. We didn't drive to like Canada or anything. We stayed like within New England, and we scored waves. So this was the opportunity. We took advantage of it. It was really intimidating, like to drive this far. We changed up the plans multiple times where we were gonna stay, but we met like super cool people on the way. Shout out Smuzzy, shout out Billy, and Ben too. The best session was my favorite wave that I rode the gun on. That was absolutely epic. We got such killer shots, and it was like such a cool ride. That wave breaks like literally twice a year, and I haven't surfed it in like over a year. So just for that to work out, like, we thank the surf gods. And you know, it'll happen again. It might happen a year from now. We'll definitely be out there, and probably won't surf in October. Maybe have a window in November. But as always, we will see you on the next swell.
Say a little prayer, get your money, man. Life goes on.
I'm hopeful, yes I am hopeful for today. Take this music and use it. Let it take you away. And be hopeful, hopeful, and he'll make a way. I know it ain't easy, but that's okay, cause we hopeful.
I wish that you could show some love instead of hating so much when you see some other people coming up. I wish I could teach the world to sing, write some music and have them tripping off the joy I bring. I wish that we can hold hands, listen instead of dissing lessons from a grown man. And I wish the families that lack but got love get some stacks, brand new shack in the lack that's on dubs. And I wish we could keep achieving wonders, see the vision of the world through the eyes of Stevie Wonder. You feel me? And I hope all the kids eat, and don't nobody in my family see 6 feet. You dig? I hope the mothers stand strong. You can make it whether you with them or your man's gone. And I wish I could give every celly some commissary, and a popo bring the heat on a piece like they did R. Kelly. And I wish that DOC could scream again, and bullets could reverse and Pac and Biggie breathe again.